Do you realize that the secret to a memorable Christmas is how well you arrange your home? With the holiday season approaching, it's time to change your living area into a cozy, welcoming haven for family and friends. From sparkling decorations and cozy emotions to tidy areas and personal touches, preparing your house for the holidays can make your celebrations unforgettable. Whether you're entertaining guests or spending a peaceful Christmas at home, planning is essential for creating that particular holiday mood. In this video, we'll look at 12 practical and imaginative ways to prepare your home for Christmas 2024. Declutter and organize. Begin by walking through each room and removing any superfluous stuff to create a clean, open environment. This will make decorating easier and give your home a clean and welcoming feel for the holidays. Decluttering also allows you to identify places that require care, such as storage spaces or surfaces. Donate stuff you no longer need to share holiday cheer. Organize your decorations, wrapping supplies, and other holiday staples in clearly labeled boxes to make everything conveniently accessible. Having an ordered space allows you to enjoy the holiday season with less worry. It also makes your home feel lighter and more equipped to host guests and celebrations. Deep clean your home. To create the ideal Christmas backdrop, start by cleaning your home thoroughly before decorating. Dust furniture, vacuum carpets, and clean windows to let natural light shine through your festive decor. Pay careful attention to areas that may be missed, such as baseboards, ceiling fans, and lighting fixtures. When hosting guests, thoroughly clean the bathrooms and kitchen to ensure that everything looks and feels fresh. Use holiday-scented cleaning solutions, such as pine or cinnamon, to lend a festive touch to your cleaning. A clean home not only makes decorating easier, but it also creates a welcome environment for family and friends over the Christmas season. Plan your decor theme. Choose a theme to connect your decorations, resulting in a cohesive and beautiful effect. Whether you choose traditional red and green, elegant gold and silver, or a rustic farmhouse vibe, a theme ensures consistency throughout your room. Coordinate your tree ornaments, table settings, and mantle decor with your color scheme. If you prefer DIY projects, create decorations that fit your theme to add a personal touch. This planning process saves time and keeps you on budget by focusing on complementing elements. A well-thought-out theme makes your home feel wonderful and sets the tone for an unforgettable Christmas. Put up your tree. The Christmas tree is the focal point of holiday decor. Depending on your preferences, you can choose between a genuine and artificial tree. Decorate with lights, ornaments, and a tree topper that matches your motif. Layering is essential. Start with lights, then add garlands or ribbons, and finally ornaments of all sizes to create depth. Involve your family in decorating to create a fun bonding experience. For a finished effect, wrap a tree skirt or basket around the base, and try putting a little train set or wrapped presents underneath for extra charm. The tree adds warmth and wonder to your home during the holiday season. Enhance curb appeal. First impressions count, especially at Christmas. Decorate your house's facade with string lights, lit reindeer, or inflatable decorations. Hang a festive wreath on your front door and decorate with potted plants or lanterns for added charm. Line paths with solar-powered lights or candy cane posts to direct visitors to your entrance. Don't forget about the windows. Add modest candles or garlands to cast a warm, inviting glow from the outside. When installing outside lighting, keep safety in mind and make sure all electrical components are weatherproof. A magnificently adorned exterior sets the scene for the Christmas joy that awaits inside. Stock up on essentials. Running out of supplies during the hectic Christmas season can be stressful, so stock up now. Purchase plenty of wrapping paper, gift tags, and ribbons to ensure that your gifts look stunning beneath the tree. Purchase additional tape, scissors, and storage bins for simple organization. To produce holiday delicacies, keep necessary kitchen materials such as baking tools and spices on hand. Keep batteries on hand to power lights, toys, and other electronic items. Stockpiling basics saves time and ensures that you are always prepared, allowing you to enjoy the season with loved ones. Prepare the kitchen. The kitchen is the center of Christmas celebrations. Organize your pantry by removing outdated products and replenishing essentials such as flour, sugar, and spices. Plan your Christmas dinner and create a shopping list of fresh items. Pre-bake cookies, cakes, and pies to save time on busy days. If hosting a feast, set aside serving dishes, utensils, and glassware in advance. Add festive touches such as holiday-themed kitchen towels or scented candles to create a cheerful cooking environment. A well-prepared kitchen ensures stress-free meal prep and enhances the joy of sharing delicious food with family and friends. Create a cozy atmosphere. With a few easy changes, you can transform your home into a cozy and pleasant retreat. Drape, throw blankets over sofas, and add festive-colored soft cushions. Use candles or fairy lights to generate a mellow, ambient illumination. Consider playing festive music to set the tone. Add seasonal aromas, such as cinnamon or pine, using diffusers or potpourri to accentuate the festive atmosphere. Add tiny touches like holiday-themed mugs or beautiful table runners. A pleasant atmosphere not only makes your home feel lovely, but it also leaves lasting impressions on everyone who enters over the Christmas season. Guest room ready if you're hosting overnight guests. Make their stay pleasant and welcoming. Provide clean linens, towels, and essentials such as shampoo and soap. Make the place feel special by adding festive accents like a tiny Christmas tree or a scented candle. Make sure there is enough storage space for their items, as well as a device charging station. Put a water pitcher, glasses, and a snack basket in the room for increased convenience. A considerate, well-prepared guest room demonstrates hospitality and makes your guests feel at home during their stay. Handmade touches. Handmade goods will provide a personal touch to your holiday decorations and gifts. Make your own ornaments, wreaths, or garlands with inexpensive materials such as ribbons, pine cones, or recycled paper. Create personalized gift tags or cards to make your presents feel more special. Handmade touches can also be applied to food-making cookies, jams, or sweets as meaningful gifts for friends and family. Make crafts an enjoyable family activity by including children in the process. These personalized touches bring warmth and purpose to your events, making them genuinely unique. Conclusion: do you know that the secret to a memorable Christmas is in how well you arrange your home? From decluttering and organizing to creating a pleasant ambiance, each step transforms your home into a joyful retreat. Setting the setting for holiday enchantment includes creating a decor theme, putting up a beautiful tree, and improving curb appeal. Preparing supplies, stocking the kitchen, and preparing the guest room ensures a successful party. Including homemade touches and careful accents adds warmth and charm to your celebrations. With these ideas in mind, your home will exude festive spirit, resulting in great experiences for everyone.